Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn this. From this channel, you can learn SEO stuff for digital marketing easily. So today, I'm going to talk about how to do keyword research. So I'm going to explain about what we are going to talk in this video. This video is going to be long and I am going to do it very natural way to easily understand you what is my video. So in step 1 we are going to learn study your niche. In step 2 I'm going to talk about define your goals. Step number 3 I'm going to talk about make a list of relevant topics, and step number 4 I'm going to create a list of C keywords, and step number 5 I am going to use Google keyword research tools like Ahrefs and Moz and kind of tools like this to do a keyword research properly. So step number 6 I am going to study the search intent, and I am going to give the exact idea how you identify the search intent of your keywords, right? So in step number 7 we are going to talk about identify long tail keywords, because long tail keywords is the heart of in keyword research. So in the last step, step number 8, find out about your competitors. This is the most important factor when you are doing keyword research with your competitors. So I'm going to talk these 8 steps in this video, so stay tuned and you will get the best keyword research, how to do the best keyword research for your niche or for your marketing campaign. So stay with the video. This video is going to be a long video because I need to show how exactly do keyword research in using Ahrefs and Moz, and using my knowledge I'm going to tell naturally how you do this keyword research. Most important part of your SEO strategy. Before starting writing content for your website, you will need to identify suitable high-volume search terms. The SEO keywords will inform the direction of your content, ensuring that the content produced will be relevant and easily searchable on Google. So, what niches actually we are going to talk? Let's say I'm going to find a good niche. So let's search in a Google actually. What is a good niche idea? So let's search like that. What is a good niche idea? So here we go. I got some search result, 55 profitable niche ideas for 2020. So I'm going to go this result because it's also good from featured snippets. So it might look good. Let's go to the inside and check this out from how this content is ready for our. So 55 profitable niche ideas. So let's go to the list. Let's go to the list actually. Okay. So solution for safe drinking waters. I see. Van life, nomadic lifestyle, sleep quality, breathing devices, health tips. I think health tips is more competitive. So if you are going to this niche, this is heavily you need to micro it. So micro niche means you have to go deeper and deeper with this niche. So niche ideas list psychology needs, and here we go, the complete list. Water filtration products, nice idea. Water treatment systems, van life, DIY, projects, mattress. How about mattress? So keep in mind, it's a mattress, right? So let's take a note. Okay. So first you need to find keyword ideas. In every marketing situation, on every keyword research, you need to identify what is your keyword idea. So I am collecting the keyword ideas now. It is not the keywords. I am just collecting the keyword ideas. So that's why I am going to a good niche idea or good keyword idea like this, and I got a list. Now I am choosing a good keyword idea. Good keyword idea means what? So somebody asked me what is a good keyword idea means. So good keyword is basically good profitable keywords. It is matter. It is matter that a keyword in rank first in the Google search result, but it didn't bring a single $1 profit from that keyword position. That doesn't work, right? So you need to get a profitable keywords. This is real estate. It's a good keyword actually. Food delivery, good keyword idea actually. Health, wellness, I told you, health is a very hard niche. Health means a very hard niche. So let's search health. You will see how much results. See this? Oh my god, it is uncountable results. Seriously. And in the health niche, there's a lot of very competitive sites ranked already. You see that, right? So when we come to our list, so we have 55 niche ideas like this, right? 55. So diet, exercise, wellness, supplements, rental properties, food delivery. Let's get these keywords into our list. Let's make some list. Okay, with keyword ideas, food delivery, and I'm choosing, as I said, I'm going to choose a good keyword ideas with this list. So I'm going to choose DIY projects. Sorry, DIY projects and mattresses. Okay, and water treatment systems. I'm collecting the keyword ideas actually for my niche. Okay, so water treatment systems and sleep tips. Nice, right? Nice. Okay, so let's go to the safety needs niche ideas. Let's go with this. And okay, martial arts weapons, financial security. Actually, this is a very commercial idea. It's a very potential. See, this niche market covers seeking out how to secure their wealth for a comfortable future, maximizing their income potential. That means this is a very economic friendly keyword idea. Okay, so here we go, the full complete list. So my list: freeze-dried foods, knives, karate, kenpo, self-defense. So let's go to the self-defense. And hunting, lifestyle design, investment, make money, home stealing, job and recent tips. This is a very, job. Let's see this job keyword. This idea is a great for if you're targeting a very high CPM niche, because everyone looking for a job, in today, in future, they are looking for jobs everywhere. So if you can create a good website with job keyword, you can go more with this keyword actually. So let's search more for the food products. It's yoga. Let's go for yoga actually. Okay. Cosmetics healing, alternative medicine. So this is a nice keyword. Dating and relationship. I think it's a hard keyword. So let's see. Marriage is a good keyword because marriage is a very popular, very popular. Like content publishing, like dealing with cheating spouse, kind of like that. So hobbies, self-love, video and board games, travel, winning and dining. Sorry. So here's the complete list. So let's get with dating. I'm collecting the list, right? So wedding planning, some nice keyword idea, and wines, it's a nice keyword idea. Cocktail, bartending, and Cyprius. So it's a nice actually. Marriage advice. I forget this. Nice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 keyword ideas with our research. So we need to go deep down in these 11 ideas. So let's see if we get some other idea. Wow, high-end bags. Oh my god. It's a nice keywords already there. So weight loss is a very hard keyword. Let's get some 4 keywords. Oh my god, anti-aging. This is great. Seriously, that's a great. So let's go with the first, anti-aging products. It's a nice commercial keyword actually, keyword idea, And let's go to the beauty products, makeup, and cosmetics, beauty products. Let's get to the beauty products and body beauty. Nice. So okay, nice. So now we get, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, we got our list. We got 15 keyword ideas. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let's move to the next lesson.